Hey guys, welcome back. I am here with a review of few kurtas that I bought from Amazon and they are really amazing. Before we proceed, if you are new here, I request you to consider subscribing only if you like this content though. And I am sure you won't be disappointed as there's a lot of interesting content lined up for you. So stay tuned. Also please give it a thumbs up and do leave a comment below about your opinion on this content. It means a lot to me. Okay, now this one is a beautiful kurta set that I bought from Amazon. It's from the brand Indoera. The neckline is semi-collared V-neck, has a contrast ribbon patch attached along the neckline, very neatly done. The back neck is high collared. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and the cuffs are plain. The print is same both front and back side of the kurta. The print is actually very popular Bakru hand block print. Looks very classy. The fabric is pure cotton and feels very comfortable on the skin. It's a skin friendly fabric. It has a nice curve from the bust to waistline, giving a good shape to the kurta. So when worn, it actually gives the fit that looks like tailor-made. The neck isn't deep. It looks so, but it is not deep at all. The pajama is pure cotton in contrast shade. The waistband is partially elasticated and the elastic is good. One side it's elastic and on the other side it's plain waistband. It's a parallel fit palazzos, very comfortable and plain at the hemline. The fabric is pure cotton and super soft, not transparent at all, so that's a good thing. It has pockets on one side of the pajama and it's plain on the other side. Dupatta is so beautiful guys, I loved it so much. It's not cotton, the fabric is art silk in a deep maroon shade, has beige stripes. It has black borders on both sides of the dupatta and also these tassels add to the beauty of the dupatta. It looks so pretty. It's actually a little stiff but will become soft after a couple of washes. It's an elegant set suitable for office wear and best as an evening wear. Pair it up with big jhumkas, an oxidized bracelet and flats and you're all set for a dinner night with your loved one. What say? This one is a pretty kurta set from the brand Indoera. It's pure cotton. It has a nice boat neck with a keyhole neck design which is again secured with hook and eye. The back neck is boat shaped with a 3/4 inch depth. It's an A-line kurta and the slits are styled with a contrast patch along the slits on the front side of the kurta. Looks really neat and pretty. Back side it's plain. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and there's a ribbon patch given at the cuffs. The fabric is pure cotton and skin friendly, feels very soft on the skin. The print is same on front and back side of the kurta. The tiny floral prints look soothing and very pretty actually. It has a nice curve at the waistline which gives the kurta a beautiful shape which in turn gives the set a tailor-made fit when worn actually. The pajama is pure cotton in printed cream shade. It is a partially elasticated waistband and the elastic is really good, doesn't hurt the skin. One side it is elastic and on the other side it's plain waistband. It's a little wide parallel fit palazzos and it's plain at the bottom hemline. The fabric is soft and feels very comfortable when worn. It's not transparent. It has pockets on one side and plain on the other side. The dupatta is very pretty. It's in a contrast shade. It is lightweight and easy to carry as a daily wear. Fabric is cotton and feels very soft on the skin. Bright printed borders are given on both sides of the dupatta. It's a pretty set, guys, good for summers and best for daily wear. If you like it, then go ahead, you won't regret. Guys, if you want to buy any of these suits, use my haul pack link that's given in the description. One link for all the sets. You can choose and buy the one that you like. This one is a very beautiful set from Gosriki. I instantly fell in love with this when I opened it. Very pretty kurta set. It comes with a round neck with cute V shape at the center of the neckline. Very basic, still looks neat and pretty. Back neck is round shaped with half-inch depth. The set has floral prints all through the kurta and pajama. The sleeves are 3/4 in length and it's plain at the cuffs. Front and back of kurta, same design. The fabric is pure cotton and feels very good on the skin actually. Though it's white, it's not very transparent, so that's a good thing. Pajama comes with fully elasticated waistband, but still it's nice and comfy. Elastic is not hard at all. I am pleasantly surprised at this one. It's a straight fit, not very wide pajama. Plain at the bottom hemline. Fabric is cotton and it is not transparent at all. We can comfortably wear it during the day. No pockets on the pajama. Dupatta is equally pretty, guys. It's pure cotton. Actually, I was a bit skeptical when buying this one since it's all printed. But believe me, it turned out to be my absolute favorite in this lot. It serves as both day wear and evening wear with coordinated jewelry. Give it a try. I'm sure you will love it. And that's all for this episode. If you like this content, please hit the like, it means a lot to me. Also consider subscribing, there's a lot of interesting content lined up. Until I see you in my next video, this is Babita signing off. It's one life, live it up.